Have you ever wanted a phone that feels perfect in your hand, takes amazing photos, and doesn't break the bank? Well, the new Google Pixel 10a 2026 might just be the phone you've been waiting for. Let's see why it's making everyone so excited. The Pixel 10a is sleek and modern, with a smooth back and flush camera design, no more bulky bumps. It comes in beautiful colors like Obsidian black, fog white, lavender, and berry. It feels light and comfortable, perfect for one-handed use. Only it just feels right. The screen is a 6.3-inch AMOLED display with 120 Hz refresh rate, making everything look smooth and alive. Scrolling, watching videos, or playing games feels so fluid, you'll notice every tiny detail pop. Plus, the brightness is high enough to see clearly, even in bright sunlight. Inside, it runs on Google's Tensor G4 chip with 8 gigabytes of RAM. This means apps open fast, multitasking is smooth, and AI features work flawlessly. It may not be the latest flagship chip, but for everyday use, it's powerful and reliable. If you love photography, you'll be amazed. The Pixel 10a has a 48MP main camera and a 13MP ultra-wide camera. Selfies? The 13MP front camera is sharp and natural. Google's AI photo processing makes every shot look professional, even in low light. It's perfect for capturing precious memories with friends and family. The battery is 5,100 milliamp hours, lasting all day and even into the next with light use. It supports fast charging, so you can quickly get back to using it. The Pixel 10a runs Android 16 with 7 years of updates. Your phone will feel fresh and secure for years. It supports 5G, NFC, USB-C, and stereo speakers. The Pixel 10a is designed to simplify your life, from fast payments to smooth music or video calls. It's a perfect mix of performance, design, and reliability, all at a reasonable price. So, if you want a phone that's smart, beautiful, and made to last, the Google Pixel 10a 2026 might be your next best companion. Are you ready to upgrade your experience? Let us know in the comments which feature excites you the most.